In this video, we understand the concept of derivative of this function. We are applying derivative both sides, derivative of natural log of, because in previous lecture we understand that log with e base can be write as natural log of a, and we read it as natural log of a. So derivative of natural log of x square plus a square, what is? Here derivative is, how can we apply? How can we take? Firstly, derivative of natural log, applying on natural log. Then derivative of this square root, which is equal to 1 by 2, and then derivative of its internal function x square plus a square. Now let's apply. Firstly, applying on natural log. This becomes 1 over x. Since derivative of natural log of x is equal to 1 over x, we know that here is most important part, its angle. Natural log of x square plus a square. Here is the angle x, here is the x square plus a square whole square. So what we write here? Most common mistake, students write here 1 over x, which is common mistake, totally wrong. Here x is replaced with x square plus a square. So write here 1 over x square plus a square. Then here we have take the derivative of natural log. Then derivative of, next step is its power. We write here its power, it's equal to 1 by 2, and then also derivative of x square plus a square. We write step by step. Let's apply derivative, most important question and very important steps. Derivative of this is power, so we applying power rule. 1 by 2 x square plus a square, power में से 1 minus, and then derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of a square is 0. So little bit simplification, we write it as, can we write it as 1 over x square plus a square, and 2 is also here in denominator, and this 2x is in numerator because all is in multiplication, and here is x square plus a square. 1 by 2 minus 1. Here is also common mistake. 1 by 2 minus 1, we take here LCM. This becomes minus 1 over 2. Here is minus 1 by 2. Little bit simplification. Here is little bit simplification. This becomes x over x square plus a square into x square plus a square, and this becomes x over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. This is x over x square plus a square. This is its derivative.